If your home was built before 1980, you need to hear this. Asbestos. It's in your insulation, your floor tiles, your ceiling, your popcorn texture, your pipe wrapping. And when those materials break down or get disturbed, you're breathing deadly fibers. Mesothelioma, lung cancer, asbestosis. These aren't scare tactics, they're real risks in older homes. And symptoms don't appear for 20 to 30 years. MD mold testing has over 25 years of experience, identifying asbestos before it becomes a health crisis. Licensed microscopists, accredited labs, same-day service across Maryland, DC, Virginia, and Delaware. Planning a renovation? Buying an older home? Selling a property? Don't touch anything until you test. One inspection could save your life, or your family's. MD mold testing. Call 3017-171454. Same-day service, 7 days a week. Save $25 on any environmental test. Because you can't see asbestos, but we can.